Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start your Volvo XC90. First, park a working vehicle close enough for the jumper cables to reach, but do not let the vehicles touch. Turn off both vehicles and engage their parking brakes for safety. Locate the battery terminals on both cars, usually under the hood. Identify the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and the negative terminal, marked with a minus sign. Now, let's connect the cables. Attach one red clamp to the positive terminal of your dead Volvo XC90 battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Finally, connect the other black clamp to an unpainted metal part of your Volvo's engine block, away from the battery. With all cables securely connected, start the donor vehicle's engine and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer to your Volvo's battery. After 5 minutes, try to start your Volvo XC90. If it starts, great. If not, let the donor vehicle run for a few more minutes before trying again. Once your Volvo starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order you connected them. After successfully jump starting your Volvo XC90, it's important to drive it for at least 20 minutes. This allows the alternator to recharge the battery sufficiently. If your car struggles to start again soon, it might indicate a failing battery or an issue with the charging system, so consider having it checked by a mechanic. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your car running smoothly and staying hydrated are both key to a good day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.